What's going on, RESHOEVN Nation? I'm Jordan and I'm here to address the comments. Now, we get comments every video that we don't actually dirty our shoes, we artistically paint them with dirt. Whatever we do is impractical. So I'm gonna show you how we dirty these Red Oreo 6's in this pile of water out here, and let's get into it. We went ahead and let these shoes dry over the weekend to get this dirt super soaked into this shoe. Now, as you saw, we got them dirty. Was it practical? No. Are you guys going to comment? Absolutely, but we're ready for it. So now we're going to be cleaning up these cooked Red Oreo 6's using our signature kit. For before and after purposes, we are only going to be cleaning this right shoe. So I'm going to go ahead and set this left shoe aside, and then we'll get started with the cleaning. For the first step of this cleaning, we're going to be dry brushing some of this loose dirt off of the sneaker using our soft bristle brush. Now, we went ahead and took care of the dry brushing using our soft bristle brush. Now, the benefit of dry brushing the sneaker prior to cleaning it is that it breaks down some of that loose dirt and prevents you from making a muddy mess on the sneaker. However, since this sneaker is so dirty, there's mud stuck in these holes, there's mud everywhere, it's still gonna get super messy, but we're not gonna waste any more time. We gotta remove these laces and put in our adjustable shoe tree, and then we'll get to scrubbing. Now that the dry brushing is done on the inside of the sneaker, I'm going to go ahead and insert our adjustable shoe tree. Now, these are size 8.5, so we're going to adjust it to size. It's normally about the 5th or 6th hole. So the benefit of the shoe tree for this sneaker specifically is that it's leather, so it's going to help with some of that creasing on the toe box, but it's also going to allow us to put as much pressure on this toe box as possible, which we're going to need to get the best clean possible on this sneaker. So we're going to add 2 squirts of solution to our bowl of water and get to scrubbing. We're going to be using the soft bristle brush on the entire uppers first to make this shoe as soapy as possible and break down the rest of this dirt. Alright, so the soft brush was able to break down most of that dirt on the leather portion. However, this sock liner, this tongue, and the stitching are still super dingy. We're going to be using our medium brush on some of those deeper stains, but for the most part, we're going to rely super heavy on the laundry system to help take out the dirt that is stuck in this tough material. Alright, I am all done using the medium brush on the deeper staining on this leather. I also used it on the sock liner, but it still is super dingy, and I do have to use it on the midsole. But before I use it on the midsole, there is some mud trapped in these air bubbles. So I'm going to use this pick to get the mud out of the air bubbles and also out of these holes since it's still trapped in there. I am all done using this pick to get the excess dirt out of the air unit and these holes. So I'm going to use our medium bristle brush on the midsole to take care of the dirt, and then I'll finish off this pre-treatment with the stiff bristle brush on the outsole. Alright, for the most part, the pre-treatment on this sneaker did a good job, broke down all of that surface dirt. Now, we are going to use the laundry system for this, but before we put it in the laundry bag, we need to hit up this insole using our medium bristle brush and some solution to get it back to white. Alright, we got our sneaker in the laundry bag, so for the last step of this treatment, we are going to be cleaning up these laces that have been soaking in this water the entire time, and then we'll add them straight into the little pocket of the laundry bag, and we will add in our laundry detergent pod. And to the washing machine. We're going to be washing this with normal cycle cold water. It could need a couple of washes just because the sock liner and the tongue are still dingy, but we're gonna see right after the first wash. And just another pro tip, leave the shoe tree inserted when you're putting it in the washing machine to hold the shape of your sneaker. Let's do it. All right, we are back. We did wash this shoe one more time off camera, and as you can see, the results are looking great. For the last step of this cleaning, all we have to do is lace these up, so let's get into it. The shoe is all laced up. As you can see, this before and after is insane. I mean, look at this shoe. Let's talk about how we got this shoe dirty. You watched the whole process. You watched me ruin a pair of socks and a pair of my own personal Air Max 90s for this. And we want to know in the comment section if you guys want to see more of how we get the shoes dirty or if you don't want to see it at all. We achieved these dramatic results using our signature kit paired with our sneaker laundry pods. If you're looking to clean your shoes, make sure you hit the link in the description to save 10% off on the entire product lineup at RESHOEVN8R.com. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe, and if you liked today's video, hit the thumbs up button and click those bells for notifications. We launch new videos every Monday and every Thursday. That's gonna wrap it up for another episode of Jordan Cleaning Jordan, and I'll see you guys again soon.